Aloha, this is Alison and I'm just chilling here, warming up in the Galapagos with the cold-blooded marine iguana. They are only found here in the Galapagos Islands. It's interesting because the Galapagos is actually where Darwin formed his theory of evolution, which can easily be seen in the marine iguana.
Oh, hello there. Alison Teal here at the Charles Darwin Research Center on the Galapagos Island.
Very excited to work with Alison Teal in conservation of the oceans, our animals, and our home planet Earth.
Originally, millions of years ago, they were normal iguanas that floated across the sea from South America on pieces of driftwood and have evolved over time to have these tails which can catapult them down into the ocean. They only eat algae, they don't eat meat. We're vegetarians, yo. They can dive underwater for up to an hour without taking a breath and go to depths of 60 feet. That sun feels good, huh?